CashWise makes it better, safer, and easier for businesses to manage their cash. When you have idle cash, it's automatically invested. When you need to pay bills, it's proactively moved back to your bank account before the money needs to be spent. This is a dashboard. On the left are your total global treasury assets. Here it's broken down by currency. On the right are your investment returns. They're broken down by currency as well. Estimated yields are provided, as well as the total return for that account. As you scroll down, we break down projections by currency as well. You'll see individual balances for your accounts in real time, and the graph displays a forward projection of the cash balances for each account. Below that are the details that make up that chart. Let's see how easy this is to set up. Under Account Settings and Integrations, you can add transactional accounts and connect them here. They're broken down by currency. There's only 3 settings per account. One is the target cash balance. That's the amount to maintain in the account. The minimum transfer amount is the smallest unit of transfer for that account. And threshold alert provides a notice if your account reaches that level. After adding your accounts, you can go right to cash flows. Here you can schedule transactions in advance, select certain dates, select the accounts, provide amounts as well as repetition, and this will add it into your list of cash flow items. The chart here displays various expenditures or revenues going forward in time, and the physical detail items are below. Last step is to let it run, and here you'll see the results in the Automation tab. Again, this is broken down by currency. The Scheduled section provides detail on what will happen the next day at 9 a.m. And these transactions are calculated or pre-calculated the day before at 4 p.m. You have the option here to review and pause transactions if required. Under Projected, these are transactions that are beyond 1 business day down the road, and they provide estimates of dollar values to be moved around. They will be updated when they become a scheduled transaction. And of course, past automations are provided as well. Let's take a look at how FX transactions work and how we provide rate protection capabilities. Under Account Settings, go into FX, and here you can specify per currency pair and direction a trailing stop. So in this case, the trailing stop is set to 1.5%. Let's see how this affects the transaction. Under Automation, I can add in a conversion. So I pick a date in the future, I pick a source account, let's say USD, and I select Sing dollar as a target. I leave it as a default 1,000, and already we have an estimate on how much that transaction may cost in US dollars. This is based on today's rate. We don't know the rate, of course, in the future, but should the rates move up in our favor, nothing will happen. We will wait until the date of the transaction. If for whatever reason the exchange rates start dropping and it starts moving against us, once it hits the trailing stop trigger, it may be converted earlier. So for example, if it drops below the trigger on the 19th, the system will automatically trigger the conversion the next business day. The good thing here is that as soon as the conversion is completed, it will automatically move into a investment as well, so that your money is always continuously working. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.